G'day team, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to keep going on our financial modelling and we're actually going to look at effective rates. So this is looking at chapter 7D in the Hazy 12 General textbook. So in life it is important to be able to compare investment accounts with different compounding frequencies. Alright, so different banks might pay you compound interest out monthly or quarterly or fortnightly or yearly, and it's really important to compare them at face value. So that's what we're going to look at in our example today. So one account offers 5% per annum interest compounded monthly, while another offers 5.2% per annum interest compounded quarterly. So we compare which one is better or more efficient for us, going to generate us the most money, by looking at the equivalent rate if the compounding was paid annually. And this is what we call the effective rate. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So first off, suppose $2,000 is invested at 5% compounded monthly. So the value of this account after 1 year is $2,000, okay, and that's our initial investment, plus 1 for our 100%, plus the investment, so the interest rate over how often it is compounded, so compounded monthly, so 12 times to the power 12, because we're looking at 1 year and it's compounded 12 times. So all we're going to do is actually just solve this right-hand term. So on the inside, this equals 1.004, that's to the power 12. And we bring it down, we've actually got $2,000 plus 1.0512. So that means our effective rate, my apologies, these should all be multiplication signs. All right, so that means our effective rate is 5.12%. So that's taken from these digits here, because you can look at it like 105.12%. That's how much we're increasing. All right, so that is the effective rate of the first account. Now, the second account, I reckon I'm going to have made the same mistake, and I have. So I'll quickly fix those up for you. So times. So same thing, suppose $2,000 is invested at 5.2% compounded quarterly. So the value after 1 year is $2,000 times by that 1 plus 0.052 for the interest rate over how often it's compounded. Quarterly means 4 times per year. That's to the power 4. And again, we're just going to be solving this right-hand side, and that comes out to be 1.0530. So that means our effective rate is 5.3%. And this is actually greater than the effective rate of the other account. Okay, so if it was me, I would definitely be choosing this scenario here, because we're going to get a higher value in our account after the same amount of time as the first account. So you can actually calculate the effective rate on a calculator. So this is for a Casio FX-CG50. All right, so it'd be very similar for your other calculators, but you go to menu, then to financial, click conversion, which I think is F5, input your compounding period, so that's your N, depending on how many years you're looking at as well, be careful with that, and your interest rate, and then click effective rate, which is your F1, and that will calculate your effective rate for you. All right, nice quick video today, so hopefully you guys got a bit out of this, and we'll see you guys next time.